Here's your 60-second script. Most people get math wrong, not because they're bad at math, but because they forgot one rule, order of operations, and one small mistake can throw off an entire calculation. That's exactly why we built the Order of Operations Interactive Calculator. You type in any mathematical expression, mix in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, parentheses, whatever you're working with. The calculator doesn't just give you the answer, it walks you through every single step, showing you exactly which operation happened first and why. Let's say you enter 3 plus 5 times 2. Most people guess 16. The correct answer is 13. The calculator shows you why step by step. Whether you're a student checking homework or just someone who wants to actually understand the math, this tool makes it crystal clear. Try the Order of Operations Interactive Calculator for free using the link below.